Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to clean your AC filters. So on this particular model, it's a Coleman, so this does have the reusable filter. It's not disposable. You know, some units do have disposables. If you do have a disposable unit, you cannot clean that. You just need to throw it in the trash and buy a new one. They're relatively inexpensive. All right, this particular one, the access pops off just like so. Filter slides out on the side like this, and as you can see here, this is a reusable. It's made of a thin plastic. All you do is wash it off just like so. Get all the dirt and debris off there that sucks up through here. You want to make sure you check this once a month, because if you do not, and this does get clogged up, this will make the AC non-efficient and it won't cool as well. So this reduces cooling pretty drastically when you don't clean it. So any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.